Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn off likes on your YouTube videos. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more helpful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is click on your profile icon on the top right, then go into YouTube Studio, then once you're on here, click on Settings at the bottom left. Then you should see Upload Defaults, so you want to tap on that. Then select Advanced Settings. Then just scroll all the way down, then you should see Show how many viewers like this video. So all you need to do is just uncheck that, then select Save in the bottom right. And all that will do is every time you upload a video from now on, your likes will be hidden from other viewers. Thanks for watching,